Well, so our bowlers strike on the day three, and at T, England now all out on 465. So we have just 6 runs minimum lead, and it was our mistakes, dropping catches, and its poor captaincy as well. Did not attack well, and one stage England 276 loss of 5 wickets. Then the three partnership in lower order, and that's why England are survived. 465 now made, and Jasprit Bumrah again taken a 5 or 3 wickets for Prasidh Krishna, 2 for Siraj. So it means our pressers has taken all 10 wickets of England. So now it's a huge responsibility. Today it's a commanding day. Day 3 always has been considered a commanding day. So all the responsibility and hopes the shoulders of our batters in the second innings. And in second innings in England, we have struggled so much. So it will be interesting to see what will our batters do, and it will be another good start. We are hoping from our openers like Jaiswal and Rahul, and then with good batting in especially in middle order. First innings we had collapsed by the middle orders, and otherwise we were looking 500 5 to 600 runs. England batted really well, and in day number one, India on the driving seat, and now day number three, India are on back foot because just 6 runs taken a lead, it was not very enough. And in fourth innings to put the some pressure in the England team, it needs 250 to 300 runs in the fourth inning. It means India need to good batting in the third innings. So let's see what will happen. But there is the confirmation. England now 465 got all out. Jasprit has taken another fiver, and he has been a brilliant 3 wickets last second day of this test match he had taken when it removes uh, today, and England started well. Harry Brook was unfortunate, 99 he got out. Polly Pop yesterday hit a century, and Chris Oakes, Jamie Smith, and Braden Cars, and so many other talenters of England had batted really, really well. That's why England had reached closest to the India's score. So now it's need a very good start, steady start like the first innings, and it's stumps on day three. It will decide the test result. Result definitely will come because 2 days are left, and it is the test match now turned to the side of England. So India need to grab and drag the test match in our favor. Needs good batting, just as simple as that. So now on the day three finish, what will happen? I will come to you. Yesterday I didn't come because it was the some technical error, but tomorrow and now today I will definitely come on the stumps. So I hope we will on the driving seat once again like day first, and we need a good batting. So let's see the last session of this test match on the Sony Sports Network, and you will get live update on my channel. Thank you so much for being here, and I will come to you at stumps. Join my channel, subscribe as well, and enjoy this 5 test matches of this England summer. Thank you so much once again, and it's a just full jubilant June 2025 we are enjoying here. Thank you so much.